Hello guys, this is the tour guide for the bank transfer payment mode. Select the number of months you would like to pay for via bank transfer. This is the amount in USD you must transfer. Your service will activate as soon as your transfer reaches us. Make the transfer to the bank given below. If you have already made the transfer, please click here. If you haven't, click here. Here you can find how the bank transfer payment mode works. If you want to know more, read this. Thanks for watching.